Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this invalid profile error with the error code E2F0, then you have come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your Xbox app. So open up your start menu, right here Xbox, click on to support, then you're going to click on to gaming services repair tool, click on start repairing, then click yes on here. Now it will diagnose your issue and it will fix it on its own. Once it's done, now what you're going to do is you're going to sign out from your Xbox account. So sign up from here, close the Xbox app. Now you're going to open up your Explorer. You're going to go to your C drive, going to Xbox Games, Game Save, PGS, and you're going to have a folder with a name like this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to rename this folder and put anything like test here. And after that, you're going to open up the Xbox app again. And this time you're just going to minimize the app. And then you're going to open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. You're going to right click on Forza Horizon 6, click properties, click install files, and then click verify integrity of game files. And once you're done with that, now you're going to go ahead and try to play Forza Horizon 6, and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.